Yes.
Mommy, I want a toy.
Hey guys, it is day 2 in DC. Today we are just seeing a few more sites, like the Capitol and stuff, and then I think we're gonna go to the museum later. Hey guys, I am back in New York City. I'm with my mom. She's here until tomorrow. But today is our first full day back. We got back from DC yesterday, but we didn't do much, so I didn't vlog. But today we are gonna go shopping and just kind of explore. So I'll take you guys with us. So I just made my first and only purchase for the day. I got this Kate Spade bag. I've been wanting this bag for a really long time since they came out with it, so I'm really excited about it. It's so cute. Hey guys, we just finished our shopping, and so now we are walking across the Brooklyn Bridge. We also just visited Wall Street, so I'm going to insert the footage from Wall Street and the Brooklyn Bridge right here. guys, I am heading to a movie premiere right now, but I'm going to vlog on my phone because I don't know if they'll let me bring my camera in. Hey guys, last night I went to the movie premiere for the new show Dickinson. It is a new show on Apple TV Plus about Emily Dickinson, and it stars Haley Steinfeld, and it was really good. And I gave a little intro about it yesterday, and I vlogged at the premiere, but I just kind of wanted to tell you guys what it was, because when I was going to the premiere I didn't know what I was going to, and you guys should check out the show because it's really cool. And I got to see episodes 1 and 3, and I really enjoyed it, so I'm excited to watch the rest of it. And yeah, thank you Dickinson for having me and my friend Monica come to the premiere. It was really fun. Hey guys, I am in Manhattan right now. I haven't vlogged a lot today because I've been super busy with homework. But right now I'm heading to the Apple store because I've been having issues with my phone. So I want to see what my options are for getting a new one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get the iPhone 11, but they don't have the color I want, so I'm currently running like a mile to the next closest store. Okay, I am just making it to the store now. They only had like 3 of the phones I wanted in stock, so hopefully they have it. I'll keep you updated. Well, I am now leaving the Apple store, and unfortunately they did not have my phone. So we're just gonna keep trying again next week because, yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna spend that kind of money on a phone that I don't want, so we'll keep trying. Hey guys, now I'm at Rockefeller Center, and they have the ice rink out because it's October and almost the holidays, so I figured I'd show it to you.
Mars or bust, Audrey?
Let's go, Mars. So cool.